What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon and welcome to this video about Chiliz or the CHZ token. A token I have covered a whole load in the last weeks. Obviously was very bullish first of all, and now it looks like we're very bearish. In reality that's not particularly true, but we'll talk about that. And in this video I just wanted to update it, why we are bullish right now for example, and if I think we are going to continue dropping down. So let's get right into it. So now the first thing is why Chiliz is actually dropping is the main reason is that the World Cup is still going on, and now that the World Cup is almost ending, I think the final is on Sunday. Just the last bits of hype around Chiliz because of the World Cup is getting out of the price. It's getting cashed out, and that's also why I said that it looks like we're very bullish or very bearish, but in reality, if you take a look at the daily, we're still way higher than we were at, for example, June. So we're kind of getting back to those levels we were at beginning of August and beginning of June, before the entire hype for the World Cup started. So that is what is going on. Now, obviously that's not really nice still. So we would like to prevent that. And I think we can, all right? So first of all, I think 12 cents and 12.5 cents, which would be the level under us, is strong enough of a resistance level to hold us, or as a support level to hold us. All right, so I don't think we would easily drop down lower than that. Now, the thing is that right now we have had a bearish breakout through this whole 15 cents, 14.5 cents level, or 15 cents level. So right now what's happening is we just got about an hour ago, we got some positive inflation rate numbers. That's bullish for the entire, like they were lower than expected. That's bullish for the entirety of crypto. So what's happening right now with Chiliz is we are getting up there. We're getting up to 14.5 cents and perhaps even 15 cents. We will not break above that. From here, we will start dropping back down. And then what's going to happen is we're going to start dropping back down to 14 cents. We might find some support there. And then tomorrow evening, we have the interest rate coming out, and the interest rate, we already know what it's going to be. It's going to go from 4% to 4.5. What's going to be the most important thing is what they say at the press conference, and I'll make a full video. I'll cover that fully tomorrow morning in my Bitcoin and Ethereum updates. I don't think this is the place for that, but the outcome of that will be bullish for crypto or bearish. If that's actually bullish, then I think Chiliz is able to break above 15 cents and move up to 16 cents. And then I think we can actually hold 14 cents as a support, and we can stay up here, which would obviously be amazing. And then kind of consolidate between 16 and 14 cents probably. All right, so it really depends on the fundamentals, because as I said, we are going to move up to 14.5 cents, 15 cents. From there, we are going to drop down to 14 cents. Now, if the outcomes of the interest rate tomorrow are not bullish, so if we don't get that extra bullish momentum from the fundamentals into the market, then sadly, I mean, we might be able to stay on top of 14 cents for a little bit longer, but sadly, I do think that then it's just a matter of time before we drop down to 13 cents and 12.5 cents. So whether we can, I mean, I do think, as I said, 12.5 cents and 12 cents in the worst case scenario, I do think. All right, so I had some problems with the recording software. I on accident pressed a different scene, so everything went south real quick. But what I was saying, I think, is that I do think, even though we might find some support at 14 cents and 13 cents, as I said, I do think that we will drop down to 12.5 cents and 12 cents if the fundamentals, I mean, right now we got some strong fundamentals with the inflation rate being lower. However, if the interest rates and all the remarks about that and about the monetary policy in general for the US in the future, if that's not positive, I think it's unlikely that we will stay up there. And I think it's more likely we'll drop down to 12.5 cents, 12 cents. And as I said, I do think that as a support level will hold. And then, but the matter of the fact is, like, fundamentally, Chiliz and CHZ with that until Sunday, there's still the fundamentals for the coin itself are still a little bit more bearish than bullish. So we need those bullish fundamentals coming from outside sources and external things to keep the price up and to maybe reach some nice levels where we can consolidate a little bit higher. But yeah, that's my take on Chiliz for today. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care and bye.